Hello there, how you doing? Right, so I'm going to do something different today, and very different for me. I'm going to do a vegetarian dish for Mel's lunch. Now, as you know, I'm a carnivore, I eat meat. I'm going to do a halloumi patty. Yeah, just a halloumi patty. I suppose that's what you call it. So we've got our ingredients. I've got a carrot, zucchini, a couple of eggs, some ginger, spring onion, some coriander and mint. I've actually just gone ahead and done that because that takes a bit of time. And of course, a piece of halloumi cheese. Right, so we start off, just grate one carrot, and the same again, this time with our zucchini. We need to drain any moisture out of that. So we just bring that over into a sieve, put it all in there like that. Right, we just squeeze that. You'll see the moisture comes out the bottom. Now apparently, I've been told, if you put a little bit of salt in there, just leave it for a bit, that will help drain the moisture. So you want it dry, so when we make the patties, they don't, look at all that, you can see it all coming. I suppose you could drink that if you really wanted to. And we grate our halloumi cheese. Something different, making a mess. We'll just add, oh shit. Elsie's gonna kill me, it's got shit everywhere. Got any more moisture out of that. Just add that to our cheese. Right, so we just add our mint and coriander, and then just cut up just a spring onion or two. Just add that in. Get 2 eggs. 1, 2. Give that a bit of a whisk. That'll help make our little patties. Patty cake, patty cake, patty cake. We'll just add that in there with our mix. Now, because Mel is celiac, we add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. But these are gluten-free, so it won't kill Mel. That'll help absorb any of the other moisture that's in there. We just mix all that in. We start to make them into our patties. They're just a bit bigger than a golf ball. And we just sit them on a plate. Right, now that we've got the patties done, we just sit them in the fridge for about 20 minutes. While our patties are in the fridge, I'm just going to make a little bit of a dressing. So what we get, we've got the ginger, so we just cut that up fine. Put that in there. This is some rice wine vinegar. So we just put some in there. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil. You can add chili to it if you like. And then we just put in a few coriander leaves. We've had our patties in the fridge for about half an hour. And all we have to do now is cook the little buggers and have a guess who's home. Hi Mel!
Hi!
He's in for a treat. She thinks they're chicken patties, but I haven't told her what they are yet. She's not going to know until she tastes them. We've got our oil ready. Should be nice and warm by now. Oh, there they are. Now these take about 5 minutes to cook. There we go, look at those puppies. Over. Have these stay just on some lettuce. And we just get our dressing. We don't want a lot of oil, but we just get some of the coriander and ginger. You can put chilies in it. Mel's is not a chili girl. There it is. You see that? How's that for a lunch? A little bit. Now, I haven't told you what it is yet. So,
Okay.
grab yourself a knife and fork. Turn it off.
That looks amazing. Is that ginger?
A little bit of ginger.
Oh, hello. Oh. It's got cheese in it. Or has it? Oh, yum. That's so delicious.
Can I tell you what it is?
Veggie patty?
Well, more like a halloumi.
Oh, but it's so delicious.
So it's halloumi, zucchini, carrot,
Mint.
mint,
Ginger.
coriander, and a little bit of ginger.
That is so delicious. Well done. Now, where did you get the idea of doing a vegetarian dish?
Daniela.
Yes.
our-
Our friend from Woolies.
She
She
said-
asked us if we could do some vegetarian dishes.
And me being a carnivore and eat meat.
Have you tried it though?
Can't believe I'm actually going to try vegetarian. Where's the meat?
Just try it.
Oh, you know me.
It's actually delicious.
Ooh. That's pretty good. But that's good. The halloumi, especially you can taste the mint and coriander. How'd you go, babe? Thumbs up?
2 thumbs up. Excellent. Guess what?
What?
It's vegetarian.
Tried making something vegetarian. What is this?
I know, right?
What have you done, Chad?
So good, huh?
Oh, it's beautiful.